Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and this is a previous video shot in October 16, 2018. This is Gus, the 20,000-pound steer in front of Angelo's Steakhouse. He had succumbed to hurricane force winds, but we got good news today. Okay, we're outside of Angelo's Steakhouse. Angelo's Steak Pit, excuse me, Longhorn Saloon. We're coming to visit Big Gus. As y'all knew earlier, Big Gus got blown away by Hurricane Michael when he came through this area, but now look at him. He's back on four legs. I knew he could do it. It took him a little bit, but he finally got him. His feet or hooves. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Be graceful.